Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bea, and on today's video I'm gonna be sharing with you Chanel unboxing, Louis Vuitton unboxing, and Salvatore Ferragamo unboxing. I'm very excited about all the pieces that I got. I hope that you enjoy this video and enjoy watching the things that I got. If you haven't seen my wishlist video for 2022, I'm gonna link it here, so you go ahead and watch it. There I have a little story time about why I decided to get this item from Chanel instead of other one. So yeah guys, go ahead and watch that video, and without further ado, let's jump into this video. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the smallest item that I got. So it is from Louis Vuitton, and this item was on my wish list actually. So I'm very happy that I got it. I was not sure about getting this one because I have something similar in my collection, but I pulled the trigger for this one. So this is the dust bag, and I got this beautiful belt. I just love the buckle. I think it's super beautiful, very different, and I just couldn't help myself. So it is in the reverse monogram, and it is reversible as well. So here we have the caramel leather color, and this one is thinner than the one that I have. I'm gonna link a picture here because I don't have it right here. It's like a more square buckle. It is a little bit wider. Guys, I'm very happy that I got this piece. Actually, I thought it was going to be exact same width with the one that I already have, the Dauphine one, but it is thinner. So that was a good surprise because it's different, but I was thinking that maybe I could switch the buckles, but you know what, I am very happy that I got it. I love reverse monogram, and I hope to get a lot of use out of it. So here I have this Salvatore Ferragamo item. This one, I was eyeing this item for so long, but I was not sure because it's very pricey and I wanted to add something similar but from Chanel, but I haven't been lucky. So also I have something similar from Ferragamo, but yeah, I couldn't stop thinking about this item, and actually it was a little bit hard for me to get it, but finally I have it and I'm gonna share it with you guys. So it came in this box. Here's the proof of purchase, and this is a dust bag. I removed the tag. Here's the tag. And are you ready, guys? It's this beautiful chain belt. I love it. I love the buckle. Look at this detail with this pyramid here that reminds me of Valentino, like a stud. And yeah guys, if you've been following me for a while, you know that I have something similar from Ferragamo as well. It's also a chain belt, but it is the buckle is different and bigger, and it is in like aged gold and brushed gold, and this one is shiny gold. I love it, you guys. So I'm gonna show you how it looks on me. There's only one size. It is the 85, which is huge for me, but that gives me option to just play a little bit with the remaining chain. So I'm gonna show you how I use it. And yeah guys, I'm very happy about this one. This was not on my wish list. I was telling you there in that video that I want to add a chain belt from Chanel. Haven't been lucky. My essay showed me one that I liked, but when I decided to pull the trigger, it was already gone. So that's the thing with Chanel. You know how it works. And yeah, maybe that was not the right belt for me. So I will have to wait. Let's jump into the most exciting part of this video, and that is going to be in here. So guys, I got this item back in November. That is why I have this how do you call it, this ribbon. I wish I had also the camellia, but this is the way my essay sent it to me. So yeah, of course this is not an unboxing, this is a reveal since I got it in November. Beautiful camellia here. Okay, so if you have any guesses guys, please comment in the section down below. I would love to know if you can guess, if you know me well enough so you can guess. Okay, so let's open this box. And here's the dust bag to reveal the beautiful Chanel 19 in black. Oh my god, I'm super excited about this purchase, you guys. I couldn't wait any longer to show you this bag since I got it in November. But of course I already used it, you guys. But I didn't have the chance to film since my life is being crazy lately. But look how gorgeous and stunning this bag is. I just love it. So please go ahead and check that video, the one of my wish list, because there I explained why I decided to look for the black one, or to add this one to my collection instead of the caramel one. That it's also such a great piece, such a beautiful color, and it still make my heart sing every single time. But I decided to change colors and go for this one. This one also was hard for me to find, but I love the leather in this collection. I think it's super beautiful because it's not that shiny. So this one has the chip here, and it has the pocket bag with the zipper and the strap with different hardwares, which I love. So the only feature that I'm not so sure that I like about this bag is the red interior. I would rather have it in black, but you know, this is something very special about this bag, and a lot of people like the red interior. So yeah, guys, I think I'm gonna get an insert because it's starting to sag already a little bit here. But yeah, guys, I absolutely love this piece. I am going to add some mud shots for you guys, and I'm so happy. You know how much I love Chanel 19. This is my third one, and probably the last one I'm gonna add to my collection, because you know, 3 of the same style is just already too much. But yeah, guys, I am so in love. I think this bag is perfect for every day, for traveling. It's very carefree. Even though it is in lambskin, it is very carefree. It holds a lot. This is a size small, which for me it's just perfect, and actually it looks a little bit big on my frame. I'm very happy that I finally got this bag. Actually, I never liked it in black as much because I thought it looked very glossy, the leather. And when I saw this one, I knew this was the one for me. And yeah, guys, I'm very excited and happy to have this one in my collection. So I also want to share with you guys in this video an item that I've been loving and I totally recommend to you. So I'm gonna link everything below. Please check this item. This is perfect for you to take care of your bags, to have them with you all times, always in sight, and to, you know, take care of your babies. If you baby your bags as much as I do, this item is just perfect for you. I have it, and it comes in this little beautiful pouch. The brand is called CARRIE ATELIER, and look at this. This is stunning. I just love it. I think it's super beautiful. I think this is very different from any other item like this that I've seen before. It is very luxurious, great high quality. Look at this. It's so beautiful. You just unfold it like this. So this device is for you to put it on the table so you can hook your bag and you have it near you or by you all times. You always have your bag in sight, which is very important for me. And I'm going to show you how it works on a table. But look at this. I recommend this item. Look how beautiful it is. It's really well done, very beautiful. Here's the design, CARRIE ATELIER. Go check their website and their social media. They have a great feed in their Instagram account, and I just love it, you guys. I'm so happy that I got this piece. Thank you so much, CARRIE ATELIER. Thank you so much for watching, and please comment in the section down below. What do you think about all the things that I got? If you guess what I got from Chanel, And yeah, guys, I always love to read your comments, and thank you so much for all the love and support, and see you till my next one. Bye, guys.